Do you my deadpan James Bond face then? Cars, Pixar. Tea. Play rugby. Family, friends, and red wine. Flying. France. Nowadays, probably in. Ribeye and chips. I'll go with the languages. Glitterball by Sigma. Reminds me of the kids. That's the one I didn't think about. Oh, that is such a good question, isn't it? Well, let's go with Martin Johnson in November 2003 when he won the World Cup. Dogs. Brian Moore, the rugby player, Winston Churchill, we know who he is, the late Queen, and Paddy Mayne from the SAS. Awesome. Because I'm such a great singer, I'd love to complement that by being able to play the guitar or piano. Probably 27, I could still run around a rugby pitch and my knees would function. Cheese. I'm a bit behind the times. I'm currently on Yellowstone. I know Santosh said me, but I don't want to be with him. There'll be no technology. It's got to be Dave Clode, our operations manager. He will make everything. We'll have food, shelter, a boat out of there. Perfect. There's many things they can't know, but I've done 3 bungee jumps in my time.